We need to scare some birds.
And this is our weapon. And we need to joust some vines to save a tree.
And that's our weapon.
Welcome to our place in Sicily, where we're renovating an abandoned palazzo on the slopes of Mount Etna. Welcome or welcome back.
So we do need to scare away some birds. They keep coming into the house, and we have some bird tape, which we got this tip from a friend whose olive garden we went picking on, and it's a little shiny, sparkly mylar tape. It seems perfect for New Year's. And also, we need to cut down this vine. We don't know if we're going to be able to keep this tree because of the pool that's going in later, but right now we've let a vine, a grapevine, climb over it, and we need to cut it down so the camellia tree that's underneath can blossom. And I think I'm starting to see the blossoms get ready to go. So this is our task. We're going to start on the vine. I'm gonna grab this little guy here. Ooh, time for a fig break. Look at those figs. Oh, figs. Wow, this vine is, I don't know, 2 inches thick? These grapes, they kind of rattle. Or maybe it's just that they're so crispy. I think they've gone past raisin. I don't even know what they're attached to. What do you think? Do you think we could use some of this vine to make baskets? Not sure. Okay, watch your eyes. Oh, this is a fiddly job. I'm good at fiddly. This is interesting. This is a former... Oh, shoot, I just broke it. Let's see. This is what the flower looks like when it's all done. It's a camellia tree. And you can see, I don't know if you can get this on camera, Matt. Let's see here, we got some buds here. The buds, they're pretty sort of pinky red when they're all done. Or when they're in bloom, not all done. When they're all done, they look like that brown thing. Oh my goodness, Matt, there's so much grapevine here.
Okay. Turn to camera sometimes.
I think I was just going to put this on fast.
Sure, but occasionally you say something, something cute, and it's like, yeah, it's a shame to be at the back of your head.
I think this is the one the pigeons sit on.
Yeah.
I found their favorite. That is a 4-star Yelp review, this, from the pigeons. Okay, let me do this guy. Can I do it? What do you think?
I think you can.
You don't want a close-up on it?
I could.
Where'd you learn cinematography? Can I do it? Oh. The birds are cheering me on. Haha. Jen versus Vine. Jen won. Vine still winning. Different kind of one. I feel like we're getting somewhere. I don't know if this is coming or going. I think this
I feel like it's coming
up
from the
here.
ground, yeah, and then goes up.
Coming back down. Oh, balanced. Yeah, there's this guy attached. All right, I'm gonna have to get some of those from the other side. We'll see. You see the sun coming through the raisins there? Okay. One more side to go, at least.
This is like a walking tetanus shot.
Can you get it?
See,
The very last bits.
difficult with the sun in my eyes. All right, it's my office.
Hey, you did it.
I'm taking the pigeons.
Hey, Matt.
Yeah.
Why is this important that you just moved all the trash so that you could go in there?
Because this is going to be my office.
All right.
This is where I work as king of the pigeons.
Yeah, that's the room that has the most pigeons for sure. So we're gonna do a room by room at some point, but just tell us what you're thinking as you're thinking about your office.
Well, I mean, we're going to have this be, sort of glass. I don't know what you call it. It's not curtain wall, but it's like, glass door, glass window opening. And then, ultimately I need a desk. I probably need a bookshelf. This wall, which has a small bathroom behind it, is going to come down. So I get about another, maybe 4 feet of space back that way. And then beyond that, we'll see what kind of other furniture we can make work in the space.
Cool. We'll see if these work, but the real place we have to get them is up there, dangling. But I'm hoping if we hang like really long ones from up on the balcony that they'll reach and scare them enough. And yes, we could just shut the door, but people keep forgetting to do that. And by people, I'm not like insinuating Matt. I'm actually insinuating everybody else. Well, probably Matt as well, but me too. I'm just finding every place I can hang one. Does this make sense now to you, Matt?
It does, but I think you're also secretly decorating for New Year's Eve.
I'm doing both things. Oh yeah, Happy New Year's, everybody, because by the time this is edited and up, it will be the new year. Hey Matt,
Yeah.
we forgot to tell them what the special treat was that we're gonna put on the end of the video.
Oh, you mean the sort of drone shot over our lovely garden spot that we have back here?
Our oasis of calmness, and
Is this debris?
it's really just an excuse for us to use the drone again.
Yeah.
But you know, it's our gift to 2025. All right, you keep hanging.
All right.
I have my hands full.
Yeah. Trying to get it and cut it. There we go.
Wow, you made that look hard. That's good.
That's what this is all about, right?
Right. I know. I made it look too easy.
Yeah. You think anybody can do it, but.
Okay.
All right.
That was a little bit of work. I mean, it wasn't that hard. But you got to see some of our garden from above, and also you're getting a little sneak peek at our orange tree. Look at how heavy those branches are, Matt.
Yeah. That's a lot of oranges. But hey, I mean, like in Sicily, they say if you only get one thing done per day, you're a success.
That's right. So
I think we got two.
I think we're good until the new year.
Yeah.
But by the time you guys watch this, it will be 2025. So happy new year from us, tanti auguri, and thanks for watching another Our Place in Sicily.
Ciao.
Ciao, ciao.